I believe Totmin is a product that has been carefully studied for this environment, based on as a medical tool initially to immobilize heavily injured patients. This is what we actually look for in the sense of setting the car and the driver as one piece. It's a very elegant solution, very clean, with a tissue that is fireproof and that is approved for the racing environment. And it's straightforward. You've got the pouches A and B integrated in the tissue. It comes all in one. You simply have to follow the steps, and in 20 minutes you've got your seat. It's really clean, fast, and easy to work. Okay, in position. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Go.
Go down.
Down. In position, then go.
Find your position. Okay.
So how do you feel? Oh, great. So much stiffer now. Like I feel that I'm stuck in the car, but that's great, you know? When you press the brakes and the throttle, you feel like you're more connected, you know? It's good. Feels good. It is quite tricky to get your body on the right place. As soon as you get on the car, you have to hold yourself up here with the halo, but as soon as you get the right position, you're able to relax and then enjoy some long 30 minutes to get everything stiff, everything done, and then they're able to cut it off the rest, so they can cut off the shoulders, the elbows, so then you feel more comfortable while turning the steering wheel. So yeah, feels amazing. It is quite cold out there, and I'm feeling very warm over here, so yeah, I'm enjoying it. I don't want to leave it.
Now this is the excess that I need to remove. Here I'm right spot on it, and then I just need to cut this out. So you'll see the difference between today and tomorrow.
Yeah.
And what's going to happen is tomorrow when you drive, you will feel that you need to make some adjustments. Like you may have a point on the shoulder or in the lower back or something, and then we have to cut it out, or even here, or even there. Maybe you want more shoulders to the back, or something. So the first session and the second session, we will adjust all this.
Show me the giants, hold your applause, just getting started, sending the lions. Ambition ain't for the weak, I see it before I speak. Ready and willing, is you ready for me?